Do you want to make money on YouTube? If you want to make money on YouTube, this video I'm about to do here is for you. My name is James Ola Kenjunu Serafen. This is Sajin, Digital Crypto. Stay to the end of this video and get one or two things. I'll be fetching you money on this YouTube platform. Whenever I come to YouTube here, I do come here to gather an idea on how to make money. I can't come on YouTube and just watch people video and just go. I come on YouTube to get an idea on how to make money on YouTube. If you are watching other people's video, let other people be watching your video also. If the whole people on this world are on YouTube creating content, we can watch each of our video orbit around, and nobody will be left aside. Start making money on YouTube today. Stay to the end of this video. If this is your first time on this page, I will tell you that you should do what? Subscribe to this my channel. Every day, every week, I bring new updates on YouTube and how you can make money and how you can promote your YouTube channel. Let's go. I have 6 things to tell you today on videos that you need to be creating. The content that you need to be creating on YouTube that will be fetching you money every day. I don't know about this before. Times, if I do post video at times once in a month in some of my channel like that, but later on I realized that I posting video like that is not helping. One of my friends, YouTube paid him at least $5,000. Imagine you calculate $5,000 in your own currency and tell me how much is that. If YouTube will be paying you such money every week, every month, then you that are earning little in naira or in your currency every month, $5,000, calculate in your currency and see what it will give you. Make YouTube your home today and start earning money. Promote your channel, promote your business. Have 6 things, like I said, to tell you. You can do it from your house. These 6 things here, there are some people who can give you money on these 6 things. The best place you can see a good audience on these things that I want to tell you, I will tell you the place you can get it. And those are the people that are interested in those things. 1, I wrote them down here. A day in my life. A day in my life. So, showcase your daily routine with a twist. Your daily routine with a twist. Example, morning coffee ritual, dye project or pet antics. When we talk about this morning coffee, the way people make coffee, you can twist your own. Change it. How you can make coffee. There are some people who love things like that. Not just random people. They love things like that. And dye project. You know what is dye project, right? So, these are things here I wrote down here. These are the things you can do from your house. As a married man, you can do it. Married woman, you can do it. Single ladies and gentlemen, these things you can do it in your house. And YouTube will be paying you. YouTube will be paying you. What you just need is to find a good title and thumbnail for it. Post it online. YouTube is going to carry the video and share it to all those audience. On YouTube here, we have different type of audience which are being categorized. You understand? They are categorized. So anything you bring in, they take it to those people. You understand? Let's go. Dye room makeover. Dye room makeover. This has to do with, let's just use this kid room. You can enter your kid room. Everywhere is scattered. Then what you need to do, record. Put your camera, your light. Record how dirty, how scattered the room is. Then start arranging it. A picture of how it was dirty and now how it was clean now. These videos, people love it. You understand? Do it, set your camera. And then you'll be going okay. The third one is family challenge video. Family challenge video. These people, I'm telling you, they love videos like this. They love content like this. Example, Try viral challenge. Try viral challenge. Try not to laugh. Blindfolded taste test. Blindfolded taste test. Do this at your house with your family. Then YouTube will carry this video to those people and they'll be watching your video. And subscribers will be coming in, engagement will be coming in, the 4,000 will be counting. Do it. These people, they are waiting for your video. The fourth one is home cooking show. Home cooking show. If you want to cook your meal, maybe breakfast, lunch, and dinner, set up your camera in your kitchen. Understand? Then showcase how you cook the food, how you make the meal. Showcase how you do it. You understand? In another way, in a funny way, an interesting way, find a good title to it. These people, they are waiting for it. You understand? Your recipe, each and every of your recipe you want to use, you wrote it down, you'll be telling them, showing your onto the screen, showing them. People are there to watch this video for you. And you begin more. You can't just be coming on YouTube and be watching video for fun. Watching video on YouTube is not for fun. People are making money through the video they watch. Let people watch your video too. Another one I have here, which is number 5. What's in my bag or fridge? You understand? Your fridge is there, the bag is there. Check inside your fridge every day. Every day. You showcase to people what you have in your fridge. People are doing that kind of content. Very, very well. What's in your content? What is your fridge today? Tomorrow morning, you go there again and go and check. People inside the fridge and say, oh wow, you are still there. Oh wow, this is in our fridge. Oh, I want to get another one. He said, the last are not the least. You understand? Pet or kid interview. You can interview your pets, your children, your kids, you understand? Even though they cannot speak, you understand? Just add voice over to it. Add voice over to it. And then make the content lively, interesting, and post it on YouTube. People who need it are there. And who are these people that really need this? People in the US part, in the UK part, Canada. Those are people that they love something that is creative. These are things you can do from your own house. You understand? And they will enjoy it. I will be subscribing to your channel. Drop comment on your video. After making the video, take the video to CapCut, edit it and put some small touch on the videos. And then you will start making your money on YouTube. If you love the video, and I know you love this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And everybody, and if you have any question to ask in the video, please, I would love you to drop the comment on the video. I will personally comment on the video and it and respond to it. Don't forget, my name is James Ola Engino. This is Sajay Digital Crypto.